All right, I'm going to be working on this problem with you. It's what we're working on during class. Earlier in rotations, you worked on a story problem. So this is going a little bit further and not doing a story problem, but just seeing where they want you to find the sum of two numbers. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to underline some keywords here and some numbers. So they want me to find the sum, which is it's telling me they want me to add both of these numbers. So I'm going to underline the numbers. All right, I'm going to start putting my numbers on in the problem in the standard algorithm way. I'm going to put them my tool would work. 1, 2, 7, 1, 3. That is 12,713 plus 9,604. Notice how I put them one right on top of the other. I should be able to draw a line in between them, and maybe I could have even used more space to divide them. I'm going to be using partial products like I did on my earlier video, like we did yesterday, to really help me understand what's happening at each place value spot. All right, I'm going to be going in my ones spot first. This is my ones, my tens, my hundreds, my thousands, my 10,000s. All right, I have 4 tens, not tens. I have 4 ones plus 3 ones. That equals 7 ones. All right, I don't need to regroup there. It's not higher than 10. All right, I'm going to put 7 here and then go to my 10 spot. I have 1 10 plus 0 10s. That equals 1. So I'm going to write 10 because 1 times 10 is 10. I'm going to go to my 100 spot. I have 6 hundreds plus 7 hundreds. All right, I can already tell I'm above 10, which means I have a regroup happening. So 6 plus 7, well, I know that 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 more, that's 13 hundreds. So I'm going to keep my 3. I'm going to give my 1. This makes a new group of, this is 10 hundreds, which means this is 1,000. So I'm going to put that 1,000 over here above the thousands spot. I'm going to keep my hundreds, so 3 times 100, that's 300. So I'm going to put the 300 here below the tens. And I'm going to go through the, oops, and I put that in the wrong spot. I put it in the 10,000 spot. So I need to fix that error to make sure it goes right to the next spot, which is the thousands spot, because after the hundreds comes the thousands. Now I'm going to go to the thousands. I have 9,000s plus 2,000s plus that 1 that I regrouped plus 1,000. So 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 2 is 12,000s. Okay, I know that I have to regroup again because it's higher than 9. So I'm going to keep my 2. So 2 times 1,000, I'm going to keep that. This is going to become another group of thousands, which is going to become a 10,000 because there's 10,000s. So that comes above the 10,000s to become 1 more 10,000. All right, so 2 times 1,000, that's 2,000. Now I'm ready for my 10,000 spot. So I have the 1 10,000 plus the 1 that I had regrouped, 1 10,000. That equals 2 10,000s. And that is 2 times 10,000. And that is 2 times 1 is 2, and then add my zeros. So 20,000. So 7 1 3 2 2. So it's 22,312. I could also check my work a different way. I could do the problem the standard algorithm way, which is 12,740 plus 9,604. Some of you might be ready for this. 4, I start my ones place again. 4 plus 3 is 7. Go to my tens. 1 plus 0 is 1. Go to my hundreds. 7 plus 6, we know that's 13. And regroup my 1 in the thousands. 9 plus 2 in my thousands. 11 and 12. Regroup my 10,000s. And in my 10,000s, I have 2. I have 22,317 in the same number and when I did it in the partial product way. They are the same, so I know that my answer is correct. All right, so I'm going to go to the next problem that we're working on. This says, what is the missing digit? So there's a digit that's here that's missing that makes the sum correct. So I'm going to start by just doing the problem myself before I even look at the answers. So I'm going to put it over here. 8,245 plus 1,569. I'm going to separate them, which helps me keep everything aligned. Again, I'm going to use partial products. 9 ones plus 5 ones. I count 9, go up 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That equals 14 ones, and I already know that I need to regroup. I see a 4, and I see a group of 10, so I can keep the 4 there. But I need to regroup that 1. I'm going to bring it over, makes a new group of 10 in my 10 spot. So now in my 10 spot, I have 6 10s plus 4 10s plus 1 10, the one that I had regrouped. So 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1 more equals 11 10s. I see that I have to regroup. I'm going to take this 1, leave it, 1 group of 10, but I'm going to regroup the other 10 10s, and that's going to become 100. All right, I'm going to move to the 10s. 500, I mean the hundreds, sorry. 500s plus 200s plus that 100 that I had regrouped from the 10s. 100 equals 5 plus 2 more, that's 7, plus 1 is 800s. Okay, it's not above 10. I don't need to regroup. So 800s. So that's 8 times 100. So that's 800. 800s here. Move to the thousands. 8,000 plus 1,000s. It's not above 10. I don't need to regroup. That's 9,000, which is 9 times 1,000, which is 9,000. I now add each column here, each place value, and I get 9814. Now I can look at my answers. 9 something 14. If I look in the 100 spot, it would be an 8. I can also check to make sure that my work aligns with it. I have a 4, I have a 1, something, and a 9. This matches, this matches, this matches, and mine would make it true. If I wanted to check doing the standard algorithm, I would set it up 8, 2, 4, 5 plus 1, 5, 6, 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Regroup that 1. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1. Regroup that to the 100 spot. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1 more is 8. 8 plus 9, or 8 plus 1 is 9. I get the same number. So I've done it 2 different ways and I've come up with the same answer. All right, that is all.